Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this time we have an Ed Sheeran song called Afterglow. And every YouTube guitarist needs to cover one Ed Sheeran song. And this is my first one, Afterglow, and probably not the last one, because this little ginger guitarist makes pretty good songs. So let's start. We need to have our capo set here on the 4th fret to make it easy for ourselves. And I believe Ed also plays it like this most of the times. So when the capo set on the 4th fret, we got these following chords. We start with the G. So it's the E 3rd, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we have a chord called C add 9. And what that is, you just lower your index and middle finger one string down. And that gave us 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Then we go to the D sus4, like this, open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. And finally we got E minor 7. So open E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. So that are our chords we need to know. And first we're gonna go through the different chord progressions on the verse and pre-chorus and chorus, and then we're gonna end up this with the strumming pattern. So let's start with the verse. We have first off G, and then we go to the C add 9, and then to the D sus4, E minor 7, and C add 9. We're gonna play 2 G's and 2 C, I call them C, and 1 D, 1 E minor 7, and 2 C. Yeah, I think you get it. So 2 C, 1 D, 1 E minor 7, and 2 C. This round you play 2 times. And when you play it 2 times, you are at the pre-chorus. And here the progression is C add 9, G, and D sus4. And you're gonna play 2 C's, 1 G, and 1 D. So we're gonna play this round 4 times, like this. And so on. So 4 times, and when you play it 4 times, we're gonna end up with a short chorus, and the chord progression is very similar, and it starts when he sings like, "Oh, I will hold on to the afterglow." So the chord progression is the same. First round, 2 C's, 1 G, and 1 D, and one more time, 2 C. And here, instead of split up the G and D of 1 of each, he just plays 2 G's. So if we play the whole chorus, it will be C, C, G, D, and finally C, C, G, G. So D, C, C, and G, G. Na 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 na. D. Na na na. And 2 Gs. So that is the chord progression through this song. So what about the strumming pattern? Yeah, we got one feeling who goes through the whole song, and you can add up more to it to just put some flesh on it, but the basic is the same through the whole song. And the feeling is like dum 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 boom 2 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Well, if we put that in the context with the chord progression, it will be like this. So 2 Gs, 2, 3, 1, 1, 2 Cs, 1 D, 1 E minor, 2 C, 2, 1. This is for the verse. 2 C, 2 D, E minor, 2. For the verse, you can play a pretty simple strumming pattern. It could be like down, 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 up. So down, 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 up. So slowly. And in standard tempo it will be something like this. Yeah, and so on. So that is for the verse, and when it comes to the pre-chorus and chorus, it's like many other songs. It gets more intense or like more energy to it. So you can add up to this basic like feeling with more down-ups. So for the chorus and pre-chorus, I will play down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up. So down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, boom, 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 boom. The same feeling, but you just add up more down ups. can even play this in the verse if you would like, but it's more for the pre-chorus and the chorus. So, folks, that is pretty much it, and I believe that the hard part here could be the strumming pattern, because the chords is pretty easy, and so far we are playing these chords in a lot of songs on this channel, so I think you are getting used to it. I hope you can subscribe to this channel. It would mean the world to me and help me a lot. Otherwise, you just thumb up or leave a comment about this song or for future wishes to make new tutorials. So that's all for this time, and don't forget to play a tune.